Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Netflix. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Netflix and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage and you will enter. Then we click on this page of clear cache. Here in this page we click in this sign of Play Store and then we'll update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.